We already won in the arbitral award. We already have an award from that case that we filed with using the UN Convention on the Law of the Seas. Nanalo na tayo dyan. Alam na ng buong mundo na sinabi sa arbitral award sa Pilipinas yan. And therefore, the only thing that you need to do is force the recognition and the implementation of the award through diplomatic channels. Hindi yung kikilingan mo, tama ba ang Tagalog ma'am? Kikilingan mo ang isang foreign power, papapasukin mo ang mga missile ng foreign power sa bansa mo na alam mong kinaiinisan noong kalaban niya na wala ka namang kinalaman sa gitgitan nilang dalawa. That is not independent foreign policy. Yung problema natin sa West Philippine Sea do not make up our entire relations with China. And so therefore, there is no reason for you to lean towards the US. You have to always stay in the middle because you are not a part of the bigger conflicts. You always stay in the middle. You are friends with US? Yes. You are friends with China? Yes. And why not? Diba? And we are friends with Australia. We have very good bilateral relations with Australia. In fact, we want to take it to the next level and forge stronger ties with Australia. And not just Australia, with other countries as well. So, I do not understand why is our independent foreign policy lost in the discussions. Dapat niyan, kaibigan mo lahat. Huwag kang kumampi. Dahil hindi mo naman problema ang problema nila. Hindi mo naman away ang away nung isa. Saan mo gagamitin yung missile? Sino ang gigera sa Pilipinas? Diba? Dapat yan, balanse lagi yung foreign policy. Ito, sinabi ko, kanento ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? Anong sinasabi ng kasama namin sa bahay? Mahal kayo ang panaliton. The basic goods, the prices of basic goods are increasing and very expensive. It is not affordable to ordinary Filipinos. That is the problem. And the other problem is, there is no food security plan at all for the Philippines. We have been importing food from other countries. And there is no plan, a long-term plan on how we can be self-sufficient in terms of food for everyone. We don't see that. Alam nyo ba na wala nang magsasaka ang Pilipinas? Dahil sobrang magastos. Grabe ka ma'am, mga vlogger na lang daw ang nasa Pilipinas. Ano daw magsasaka? Uy ma'am, sandali meron ako nakita na content. Magsasaka siya pero pinapakita niya kung ano yung buhay magsasaka. Ay nakita nyo, sobrang kawawa. Nakalimutan ko lang ang kanyang nakalimutan ko yung niya. Nagluluto siya para sa mga anak niya bago siya masaka sa umang. Ganyan. We don't take care of our farmers. We don't have a food security plan. And it's already the midterm of this administration with no plans of doing plans, of creating plans, nothing.
Puro drawing ang tanan.
So, pag gira na, wa man tayo labot no, sa gira sa China o sa Amerika, pag nag-apil-apil man ta, bida-bida. Apil-apil man ta, pag gira na, ang pinakaunang mawalaan na, pagkaon man. Diba? Unsaon na lang, nga.
Pasmo.
Diba?
Mga panggamit na pasmo.
Ay, okay ra ko ma'am. Ibalo ka ma'am, ingani po lang ako.